Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Muhali. Mbombela Fanatics is where Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at. Full-time Betway Premiership clash. Sekhukhune versus TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy has lost today's game by 1-0, and Sekhukhune has won that game. TS Galaxy might have lost the game, but two gentlemen, and this gentleman, to be specific, has left the stadium even more delighted than the 3 points that has been secured by Sekhukhune, courtesy of the Betway Premiership. Fans, sponsorship, Ndunayam. You're 20,000 rich right now outside. Ndunayam khuluma nami ndoda.
Ngibhlungu mfowethu ukuthi 3 point.
Yeah.
Akasala ekhaya wahamba ePolokwane kuSikhukhune but sima support TS Galaxy asipheli moya. Siyathi ukuthi siyabuya la eMbombela. The next team leqhamuka la iyobhadalela neSikhukhune.
Hayi man. Awuthami. The game yanamuhla. It was the second game sukusela kuqale ileague lena Ndunayam second round. Lendliwe kuyo. Ngicela dliwa kaMaZulu namhlanje dliwa la eHome Sikhukhune Ndunayam. I-panic button. Kuqale kuthukwa nyalo ngoba phela ngihambise ama key players uhambile center back Ndamane uhambile Phuso Ditejane Ndunayam. Kungeso sikhathi sekuthuka nyalo or asithi hayi net it's just experimental things gone wrong or khamba Ndunayam khuluma nami.
No, as relax sense my fans. TS Galaxy i-team lekhona approaches ama good players.
Yeah.
So they always come and go. Akusiko kucala sithatha bathengisa lamanye laba even better but as relax saying i-setback yendeke ebholeni ngahambi ngalendlela sifisa ngayo but I believe ukuthi we will come back strong. We don't have to panic kusase early kakhulu manje. Sure.
Awuthami kuchubekela phambili. Yini lokuhle lenibona iqembu namhla likwenza lelingahle lichubekele lelizona lofisa wena kuchubekela iqembu lichubeke ngako phambili likusebenzise ukuze win.
Yeah, lesingakupromote kuphela ukuthi ma player ethu angaluzi ithemba egemini. Ma decision referee sometimes angeke ayivune i-team kodwa kufanele babe calm bathi ukuthi it's part of football. Next time around will be okay. So i-team ngithi mayichubeke phambili mababe strong ba control emathemba even noma ama decisions are against thine we will still win.
Awuthami sesikhuluma ngemathemba nyalo. I would like to highlight and let one specific Ndunayam. Le yamaduna Ndunayam inlimate engana le red card yamaduna tukole game namuhla and it disrupt njani game plan yenu njenge TS Galaxy.
No, imosha kakhulu game because after the red card it's like every player beseka like a bitter in a way ukuseka emotional bangasafuni ku press hard. If ungacheck the last 25 minutes besingasayihlaseli iSikhukhune bese sita once in a while and lokho bese kubulala le momentum yale game because nale break labe lama player beka pushana khona I think it's close to 3 or 4 minutes bona lokho nje kuyayehlisa itempo ye game ngalendlela beyita ngayo but asipushe nise phambili isizini saseyithe satobuya sibe strong.
Yeah. Awuthami namhlanje obe ngisho futhi ukuthi nento enjalo madoda. Cale kwaba i50 ngapha, u20 ngapha, u70 ngapha. Madoda. Hi man.
No, every fan une opportunity masiye stadium. Everyone maka push hard nje ukuthi maka stadium ufuna kuba the brightest fan. So ngaloko nje this thing it's not about iBetway iniketa everyone an opportunity to come and ube ngileli fan lihamba phambili. So everyone this chance I know today ngiyikusasa kuyoba the next person a celebrate nje basinikete opportunity sonke.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Ndunayam.
Athi ngiba negative abana nina manifuna kuwina ulufana ufuna kuwina thola lamajita fanatic kade bakubona nje lamajita enhlanhla la kade kukubona nje bakuthabula kumbe kade nje ngiyakutshela uphuma naye lamajita lawo ningathatheli phansi.
TS Galaxy siyadumuza
majid nenelaki ni nethu ngiyatshela
siyabonga Ndunayam.
Ngiyatshela batata hayi qhubeka Mbombela Fanatic.